Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App. Now this tutorial will work for both Android and iOS. Now if you don't have a Cash App account, you can use the link in the description down below. And when you sign up, you'll be able to receive $5 for free when you use my code. If you already have the app installed, go ahead and tap on your profile icon and then scroll all the way down to where you see referral code. You can enter in the code and you'll receive $5 for free. But with that said, let's go ahead and show you how to use Cash App. So this right here is the cash send and receive page. This is what allows you to send money and also request money from other people. So what you can do is type in an amount of money, let's say $20 US, and we go ahead and click on pay. You'll be able to enter in what is called a cash tag. So a cash tag is basically like a username on the Cash App. So if your friend has a cash tag that you know, all you have to do is just enter in the cash tag here. But you can also pick from your contacts listed below. And all you have to do is just select any contact or enter in any cash tag. And then you can go ahead and click on pay. Now, when you click on pay, it's going to send that $20 to whichever contact you selected or whoever's cash tag you entered. And the same method works for requesting money. So if you go ahead and click on request, you can go ahead and enter in their cash tag, or you can select from your contacts below. And then when you click on request, it's going to send a notification to that person that you are requesting $20 from them. And if they accept your request, they will send you $20. So that is the basics of sending and receiving money on Cash App. There's other things that you can do. So let's go ahead and click on the bank icon at the bottom left. Now this is our banking page. So we can see the current amount of money that we have in our Cash App, which in this case is 99 cents. Now, if we want to add more cash to our Cash App, all we have to do is click on add cash. Now here we can select an amount of money that we want to add to Cash App. I'm going to go ahead and add, let's say $10. Click on add. Now, depending on whether or not you set up a debit card or your debit card expired, all you have to do is just enter in your debit card number. Next, it's going to ask you for your Cash App PIN. And then once you enter in your Cash App PIN, it's going to say you have added $10 to your Cash App. And now if we refresh this page, you should see now that your money is updated. And of course, if you want to take cash out of your Cash App, just click on the cash out button and you can select the amount of cash that you want to take out of your Cash App. So if you slide this all the way to the right, you can remove all of your cash from Cash App, or you can slide it to the left and remove a certain dollar amount from your Cash App. But once you go ahead and click on cash out, it's going to take that money out of your Cash App and back onto your debit card. If you want to modify your debit cards or your linked bank accounts, you can go up to the profile icon at the top right, click on where it says linked banks. And right here, we can see we have a linked debit card here, as well as a linked bank account. We can also link a credit card to our Cash App if we want. So right below your avatar and name, you can see your cash tag. This is basically what allows your friends to send or request money to you. If you click on where it says personal, here you can see your display name as well as your cash tag. And of course, you can change your cash tag to be whatever you want. Once you change your cash tag, all you have to do is click on set and it will update your cash tag. And the last kind of cool thing about Cash App is you can also invest in stocks by clicking on the stocks icon here. And you can go ahead and select whatever stock that you might want to invest in. Say we want to invest in Tesla, we can click on Tesla and we can go ahead and buy Tesla stock by clicking on the buy button here. And we can buy a certain amount of Tesla stock if we want. And along with stocks, you can also buy and sell Bitcoin as well. But that pretty much covers Cash App. Again, if you want a free $5 from Cash App, all you have to do is sign up using my link in the description, or you can use the code on your screen. Click the profile icon, scroll all the way down to where you see referral code, enter in the code, and you'll receive a free $5. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.